Hello students, welcome to Verma's Chemistry. In this video, we are going to see how to find out different values of universal gas constant with different units. There is an ideal gas equation PV is equal to nRT. In this, P represents pressure of the gas, V is the volume of gas, N is number of moles and T is absolute temperature, and R indicates universal gas constant. So from this expression, if you rearrange it, then you will get the expression for R is equal to the product of pressure and volume divided by product of number of moles and temperature. And at STP conditions, temperature of 273 Kelvin and a pressure of 1 atmosphere, 1 mole of a gas occupies 22.4 liters of volume. This is called gram molar volume. The statement of gram molar volume is 1 mole of any gas at STP occupies 22.4 liters. Here STP conditions, pressure is 1 atmosphere, temperature is 273 Kelvin. If you substitute these conditions in the expression of universal gas constant, in the place of pressure substitute 1 atmosphere, volume substitute 22.4 liters divided by number of moles 1 mole and temperature 273 Kelvin. If you simplify this one, then you will get 0.0821 liter atmosphere mole inverse Kelvin inverse. So this is one of the value of universal gas constant in the units of liter, atmosphere, mole inverse, Kelvin inverse. Suppose if you convert this 22.4 liters of volume into cubic centimeters, 22,400 cubic centimeters, you can replace 22.4 liters by 22,400 cubic centimeters, then R value will become 82.1 cubic centimeters, atmosphere, mole inverse and Kelvin inverse. And if you take a standard condition of temperature 273 Kelvin and pressure 1 bar, instead of pressure 1 atmosphere, if you take a pressure of 1 bar, then the volume of 1 mole of gas occupies is 22.7 liters. 1 mole of a gas at 1 bar pressure and 273 Kelvin temperature occupies 22.7 liters volume. And substitute these conditions in the expression of R. Pressure replace it by 1 bar, volume substitute it by 22.7 liters, moles 1 mole and temperature 273 Kelvin. Simplify this expression, you will get 0.0831 liter bar mole inverse Kelvin inverse. In this expression, if you replace 22.7 liters by 22,700 centimeter cube, then R value will become 83.1 centimeter cube bar mole inverse Kelvin inverse. So the expression for universal gas constant is product of pressure and volume divided by product of moles and temperature. In this, pressure can be written as force per area and volume can be written as product of area and length. So this area term gets cancelled and the expression for R will become product of force into length divided by moles into temperature. And what is the product of force and length? It is equal to work or energy. So pressure and volume product can be replaced by work. Okay, pressure can be expressed in SI units. 1 bar pressure is equal to 10 power 5 Newton per meter square. Newton per meter square is the SI unit of pressure, and the SI unit of volume is meter cube. So if pressure is taken in 10 power 5 Newton per meter square and volume is taken in 22.7 into 10 power minus 3 meter cube, then the product of pressure and volume will be this 22.7 into 10 power minus 3 into 10 power 5. Units will be Newton per meter square into meter cube. So meter cube, meter per minus 2 gets cancelled and you will get meter here. So you will get the units of Newton meter. And 10 power minus 3, 10 power 5, when you multiply these two, then you will get 10 square here. So work, which is also equal to the product of pressure and volume, will be 22.7 into 10 square joules. Now in the expression of R, in place of pressure and volume, or in place of work, you can use 22.7 into 10 square joules. If pressure is if pressure is 1 bar and volume is 22.7 liters, in place of these two terms you can substitute 22.7 into 10 square joules. Then you will get the value of R as 8.314 joules, mole inverse and Kelvin inverse. So you got the value of R in SI units, 8.314 joule, mole inverse, Kelvin inverse. And we know that 1 joule is equal to 10 power 7 ergs. So joule can be replaced by 10 power 7 ergs. Then value of R will be 8.314 into 10 power 7 erg, mole inverse, Kelvin inverse. And we have another relation, 1 calorie is equal to 4.18 joules, or joule can be replaced by 1 by 4.18 calories. So substitute that joule by 1 by 4.18 calories. Then you will get the value of R as 1.987 calorie, mole inverse, Kelvin inverse. And we will take this value approximately as 2 calorie, mole inverse, Kelvin inverse. So this is how we can find out the values of R in different units. Thank you.